Let's get organized! With the Parisot Extenso Closet Solution System and accessories available at Kooyman. Hi, I'm Kiara from Kooyman. There's nothing like the feeling of being organized and saving valuable space and time. Kooyman has an incredible closet solution system called Extenso, with so many ways to customize exactly to your space and needs. Here are our 10 steps to success. Planning your organization goals, measuring your space, choosing the main frame, shelves, drawers, and finishings, tools, supplies, and safety, assembling the closet frame, adding drawers and shelves, attaching doors and handles, storage accessories, maintenance and care. To help get the job done, our guest DIYer is Lisa, who loves tackling DIY projects.
Hi, Kiara. I'm excited to be here and ready to go. Let's get organized.
Step 1. Planning your organization goals. Before designing your new closet, it's important you think about your goals for organizing. A little planning up front will help you create the perfect solution for you.
For me, Carnival is my passion, and I want to organize my collection with care. I need my new closet to help me organize my things neatly and protect my delicate pieces. I also need easy access to my supplies when I'm working on my costumes.
Step 2. Measuring your space. A well-planned closet starts with measuring your space accurately, so you can make the most of every inch. To do this, you'll need a standard measuring tape or a laser measurer.
Be sure to carefully measure from wall to wall, from floor to ceiling, and the depth of your space. Write the measurements down.
Also, don't forget to take notes on any obstructions like light switches, outlets, or vents. Step 3. Choosing the main frame. The Extenso Closet Solution System offers multiple possibilities for layouts and functionality, including corners. Whether linear or angled, you create the ideal storage solution.
As a first step, I went to the Kooyman website to review all their options. There, I reviewed the different sizes available, from the large frames to the smaller fillers.
Step 4. Shelves, drawers, and finishings. Now that your main frames are set, the next step is picking the closet sections and features. This includes determining the type of drawers, shelves, or hanging sections with rods.
I have delicate pieces that I want to hang on rods. For beads, sequins, and feathers, drawers will work well. Shelves will be great for fabrics.
You'll also select the doors and closet finish that best match your room's decor.
For the finish, I chose the clean white to match my room. I chose a door for one section, so I have the flexibility to use it now or add it later.
Step 5. Tools, supplies, and safety. Okay, so you've got all the pieces. But before we start assembling, let's talk tools, supplies, and safety. Tools and supplies you'll need include a hammer, flat and Phillips head screwdrivers, a level, a measuring tape, a power drill with drill bits, a small ladder, large furniture blankets or padding, scissors, and a pencil. Safety is always first, especially when it involves heavy parts. Assembling and securing the main frame is a two-person job, so make sure you have someone to help. Clear your space and lay out all the pieces in an orderly manner. Use a blanket or a pad when assembling the pieces on the floor to avoid any unnecessary scratches. It's helpful to group all assembly parts to make the job a little easier. Be sure to keep the instructions close at hand. Step 6. Assembling the closet frame. This video will give you an overview, but be sure to follow the manual for your specific main frames and accessories. Begin with securing the top and bottom pieces to one of the sides. You'll also assemble the slats under the bottom shelf. When those are firmly in place, connect the second side to create a frame. Make sure everything is tight. Next, secure the back panel.
My ceiling is high, so I was able to assemble the frame on the floor and lift it into place. If your ceiling is lower, you may need to assemble the main frame standing up.
Carefully stand the main frame up and place it in position based on your measurements and markings. It's very important to secure the main frame to the wall to prevent it from moving or toppling over. Make a mark and drill a hole. Then use the appropriate bracket and screws. If you have more than one main frame, bring them into position. Secure the main frames together to make one unit. Use a level to ensure it's even. Finish securing the entire piece to the wall. Step 7. Adding drawers and shelves. With the main frames connected and secured, you can now assemble and install the drawers, shelves, hanging rods, and doors. Follow the instructions carefully. Assemble the sides of the drawers to the front and back pieces. It's best to assemble all drawers at the same time, so the process is fresh in your mind. Next, secure the runners to the side pieces and attach them on the interior of the closet, exactly where you want them. Insert the drawers, making sure to align them evenly with the runners. Make sure everything is smooth.
Now that I got the doors in, it's time for the shelves.
Find the desired location for the shelves. Secure the 4 shelf pegs in the main frame at the same height. Then place the shelves, making sure the pegs are securely inserted into the holes in the shelf.
For the rods, determine the height and leave enough space for the hangers to fit properly.
Find the same spot on both sides of the closet and secure the brackets. Then just put the rod into place.
It's coming together.
Step 8. Attaching doors and handles. Lay the doors out flat and attach all the parts per the instructions. Secure the hinges to the inside of the closet. Then attach the doors, taking care to align everything properly. Make any adjustments needed and attach the door handles. Step 9. Storage accessories. Now that your closet is completed, let's sort out some stylish and smart storage accessories.
There are so many great options to optimize the space. Colored baskets with handles so they slide out easily. Clear bins so I can easily see what's inside. Stackable storage boxes, organizers for the drawers, and so much more.
Step 10. Maintenance and care. Cleaning and protecting surfaces will keep it looking great.
Every few months, check the screws, hinges, and drawer slides for tightness.
Putting it together was a snap. Now, filling it. I am organized and ready to go.
With a little planning, Closets from Kooyman can give you everything you need to get organized. Remember, you can adjust or add new accessories as your needs change. We hope this guide has been helpful, and be sure to visit Kooyman online or in store for more ideas and inspiration. See you next time!